all-new Duster is built on the CMFB platform, which is playing a central role in Dacia's industrial strategy. This competitive and extremely flexible platform was first used on the latest Sandero and Logan models, then on Jogger. It provides all the versatility Dacia needs to optimally deploy its ambitious product plan. On the CMFB platform, all-new Duster has more space for passengers and luggage than the previous generation and is only fractionally longer overall. The platform's advanced engineering also reduces vibration and noise from the road, enhancing driver comfort. And it provides a quantum leap in driving pleasure. The CMFB platform has also embarked all-new Duster on its journey to electrification as it can accommodate powertrains using mild hybrid and full hybrid technologies. A new infotainment system with a 10.1-inch central touchscreen. Standard in the Expression and higher trims, the screen is available with both multimedia systems of Duster, named Media Display and Media Nav Live. Media Display, which will come as standard in Expression and Extreme models, includes 4 speakers and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. Media Nav Live, which will come as standard in Journey models and be available as an option with the Extreme, Expression trims, includes all of the above plus a connected navigation system providing real-time traffic, updates and up-to-date cartography for 8 years. Media Nav Live will come as standard with a 6-speaker Archimedes 3D sound system. Media Control, in the Essential trim, is an infotainment system you can control from the steering wheel switches. It displays phone calls and media-related information on a 3.5-inch screen inside the analog cluster. It has 4 speakers, a Bluetooth connection, a USB port and a smartphone holder integrated into the dashboard. When you connect it to the Dacia Media Control free app, you can control the radio, other media, and several other features from your smartphone screen. Native connectivity in compliance with the new European GSR2 regulations, and, for vehicles equipped with Media Display Media Nav Live, even more connected services, including photo, firmware over the air, which enables updates remotely, so you don't need to stop by the network to have the latest software version. Digital cluster. All-new Duster is the first to feature the new 7-inch customizable color digital cluster, where the driver can display the information they find most useful. This digital cluster comes as standard with the Expression and higher trims. All trim levels feature a dedicated phone slot. Versions equipped with Media Display and Media Nav Live feature a U-clip smartphone holder, 2 USB-C sockets at the front and 2 at the rear.